session for
Yeah,
every single person, because it's not going to work. Because I've done worked with many business coaches over the years, and they're like, follow my blueprint and you will get these results. And I've followed their blueprint to the letter and not got the results. And then I think there's something wrong with me rather than something wrong with their blueprint, because that's worked for
yeah.
them. Awesome. You've made a 10-figure business, whatever you've made out of it. All I've done is got more skin because I've handed over more money, and then I've taken away from my own self-confidence, and I've taken away from my own self-belief because I'm doing something that doesn't fit, whereas you are there to help find the right fit for the individual.
Yeah, and that's it. And sometimes it'll take a bit of trial and error because sometimes we don't know what's going to work for us until we try it. But if you don't ask the question, you don't listen to not just how we're feeling then, but about past experiences as well, then you can't tailor it. And it's absolutely it's mind-boggling that someone can say this worked for me, therefore it will work for you. It's just like what a ridiculous thing to say. You know, it's like this worked for me. I'm happy to teach you this, and you can choose whether it might work for you or not, or you can talk about it and see which parts will work for you. But actually, it's quite arrogant and naive to assume that when something works for one person, it should work for the other. And I I love what I do. It's a danger bit, but I love what I do because every single person I work with is so different, and there've been so many different industries, and there's people that I might not come across on a day-to-day basis, or who you would, I suppose, naturally pick as your friend. But when you sit and get to know them, like everyone's personality is so different, and the way they work is so different, and it's so much fun to be able to go, right, okay, well, what about this? I don't think this will work. But what's your thoughts on that? And you get these moments of surprise. They're like, okay, so I would have said you wouldn't like that, but you say you're keen on that. So that's, it's interesting. It's having the discussion and asking the right questions to get information out of people to go, well, do you know what? These are your quick wins, but we can totally try that and tailor this and see what works. And the particular strategy, you can go back to it as your business evolves, as you evolve. Actually, those questions still apply. You might just have a different answer. And if you're not willing to be flexible and move with you and your business and keep going back and asking the same questions over and over again, you are going to get stuck a little bit. You're not going to progress. You're not going to grow. And that's what a lot of these, like you say, blueprints are going to make you six figures in 2 days. Like they're not going to do that. They can't do that. Like they're not built to do that. So, but it's good that you've actually sat and gone through them all. I buy them and then go, oh, order this and never finish them.
I mean, that's like the same in the health and well-being world. Like, whether it's fitness or a health journey, even allopathic medicine, not everything works for every person. Some medications will work really well for one person and not at all for the other. Some physical activity works really well for one person and not the other. Some relaxation techniques. This is something I always tell people when they come for group sessions, particularly. When we do a drumming journey or a sound bath, I was like, you might not like this, and that's okay. You're not wrong. Your nervous system is just in a different place, and it's absolutely fine to get up and leave the room if you're feeling uncomfortable with this, because not everything works for everybody. But when you're in a group situation, there's certain things that you can tweak and tailor for individuals. But when it comes to particularly sound, the sound is the sound. And for some people,
Yeah,
it'll be like, this is amazing. And other people will be like, nails down a blackboard. And it's like, that's okay. But I'll keep an eye on everybody to see if people are starting to get fidgety or look like they're getting uncomfortable. And then I'll try and tweak things. But there's only so much you can do in a group
totally.
situation. But one to
Yeah,
one, you can completely stop and rechange it. But it's having that conversation with people to know that they have permission to go, this
yeah,
isn't working for me, whether that's in the
yeah,
health space or in the business space. Like,
yeah. Because it's that same with me. It's like there's no right or wrong answer. You just need to be honest and truthful. That's all you have to be. You just need to say exactly what you feel and how you think. But that's not easy for everyone though, is it?